Here I have Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera location tags on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have location tags. So here you can switch this feature, but firstly you have to go to settings and grant location permission to camera. Go to permissions, location, allow only while in use. And now you can switch this location feature as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.